A carbon monoxide leak forced the evacuation of an Indian Orchard apartment building last night. 22 News reporter Mike Mascadrelli joins us live in Springfield to tell us how to prevent this from happening in your home.
Yeah, it was a faulty furnace that forced residents out of their homes late last night in Indian Orchard. Springfield Fire Commissioner B.J. Calvi told 22 News they evacuated the 32.5 Oak Street apartment building around 8:30 last night after finding dangerously high levels of carbon monoxide. He said the CO was leaking from a malfunctioning furnace in the basement. The appliance was shut off and residents were allowed back inside the building after carbon monoxide levels returned to a safe state. Calvi told 22 News they see more furnaces working improperly during the winter when heating season is in full swing.
Carbon monoxide is a byproduct of combustion. So if you're getting incomplete combustion or a furnace that's not functioning properly, not burning cleanly, it'll produce an excess of carbon monoxide and build up in the home.
Carbon monoxide is known as the silent or invisible killer. Inhaling just a small amount of the odorless gas is enough to kill you. 10 people die every year in the U.S. from unintentional exposure to carbon monoxide from furnaces and other heating products. Calvi advises checking your carbon monoxide detectors to make sure they're working properly and that the batteries are up to date. It's recommended to have a detector installed within 10 feet of every bedroom and one on every floor. I'm live in Springfield tonight. Mike Mascadrelli, 22 News.